twabotronde nigo ababwatani korwa sekyumbe gya Touch for Life nigo baba gwikirana ase kanisa ya Adventista St Mary Ansaria nabo igo gusimika emetebu na enchira yamo yokulenda ibito itanaine kolengana no yomo bwe banyakyumba abo Duke Ntabo nigo atebirubuna nere buyago semia abantu igoro yokulenda ogoncherera kwelire nabo igo gukora omuchando bomurakera asense ya Kenya chinga kyechobo igo nigo baba kugwatuka chibuko ase abeyenwa nabo igo kubaganya kugendera gusabira ense ya Kenya anene chinga kigenda tagwetera amakongu nabo igo asense meli yelibera lya sasa ligenda takone kigwana sensemo ya uchumi Bunentere moyo gosemia abantu igoro yogoncherera kwelire nigaba bwatani bekyombe getaligie serikali kya Touch of Life baikirana ase kanisa ya Adventista ya Ansaria eliyoko basomya chinjira cyo gukora omuchando yo anene omurakera.
Global warming is one of the dangerous issue that we are facing in our nation, our continent, and the whole globe at large due to our destructive human activities upon our environment. And as a result, we are experiencing so many effects, drought being one of it. And there are so many issues that we want to undertake to ensure that we have combated this menace. Environmental stewardship is one of the things that we do in our program, that is Touch of Life community-based organization based in Bonchari constituency yenye inatufanya tuone kama duruisha ili janga la drought katika nchi yetu.
Gukwana ni gobairira ekirenga kyabo yokulinda ebito etanaine anene ogusimika emete eliogotoria ekegori kyabo sio.
And environmental stewardship ensures that we have promoted environmental sustainability and community beauty through activities like tree planting kama yenye tumefanya leo, recycling initiatives, cleaning activities and educational workshop. My brothers and sisters out there, contemplate about being respectful to our environment, which is axiomatically our heritage, and having determinations and commitment to sustain it for the future generation. That is great news to all of us.
Nonya naboni goba enekia ogosire dini anene chingaki ense ya Kenya egendeta gwetera amakongu agesiasa naboigo asensemo ya uchumi asibaenekia okubwaterana na Dr. David Kenish baimukia egetambukiro kyo kubasira.
I want to tell you that among many things that promote community empowerment, religion is one of it. More especially at these particular tough times, at these end times, we are facing political crisis, we are facing economic crisis in our nation and the whole world. We want to ensure our people are spiritually nourished.
Nigo boigo abegenwa babori gwa Somalingana koeneke bnankwegelya bale abana babo chimbo chingia na komenya ase omolembe.
Kisi chinga kichinyinge unaitwa Bible abana kumwabule school Bible twanyora chinga kichingia twantema kwegera marikanya sai ikina kitora korekero torensi nakaro twanyore opportunity ko risiko mutate bengo kware sawadi oyo koire Bible oyo koire gentekia tenga no muntu ore kwa beso ko rero bwebe sena kya basirika baminto
abalisi abekanise yoni go bagokera egetambukerekyo chinga kichibuku chenenwa ase basegetwa gochisoma
na irane iringambi ya mono asa abantu baminto bocha gototarera gaiga gotorentere biewa bya marika machenu egara abantu baito arise batarambare tibaikere bono baikerire oyo tabwate bibiri bono nkonyorare na komenta nayo asogosoka isiko korenta obumanyi obulmwanyorire kurwa isiko finally nabona ari kubahakera ng'ambi ya mono ase engencho y'okwerwa na gutaka kumanya ng'a abantu bamino mbara bare enchara yering'ana rango bare konyora ekeegwa ekikie bibilia kerabiria abantu baminto bori otabwate neratware
mbaba bakogokera ogwikirana kwa bageni ase kanisa iyo na kwerera korenta oborabu ase amagimabo
eta nkuru Beatrice Nyabaro twakire buya ase kanisa asobo twari kanisa rituko rya rero na into twatebire ng'ambi ya mono twabareteire chi Bible at least mosome monyaro kwigwa mang'ana Nyasaye na ndo kuna kugokinyia enchiri ase ikerete bonire.
We thank the church fraternity. We are so grateful to share with you the word of God. So tumewaletea mwanga katika maisha yenu. Hii Biblia tafadhali msiende kuiweka kwa meza ama kuificha. Iwe mwangaza, muisome, iwabadilishe, itubadilishe sote tukiendelea kumngojea Yesu anayekaribia hivi karibuni.
So kama okogenda mogende buya Nyasaye na ndinga kinde ka turaumirane ubwanje gwa tata gokoreke ikiaro kuna kugusaba gwitu asiri tari ya Yesu.
Kerubo Frida, Ndizi TV.